Hey guys, so Ethan, make your intro.
It's raining right now. Can you believe it? I'm not gonna make an intro because it's raining. And this guy, Rocco, the Rocco-nator, he's seen in a lot of our videos. He's gonna fight.
This is my dog. My friend's at my house.
This is the butthole-nator.
Yep.
Yeah, it's just running around. Look
Just
up,
spying
look
on Rocco.
Look at the sky. See, look, it's like no clouds at all.
It's foggy. It's foggy. So, yeah. So, yeah. There's Rocco. And that's my brother's room. If you go inside, this is the living room. Rocco, what are you doing? Hey guys, you want to see something? You want to see something? Wait, actually, we'll do this in the house. Come on. Watch eat. Okay, guys. Rocco, come on. Rocco and Eater. Rocco and Eater, come on. His real name is Rocco. And his middle name is Wiggle Butt. Right, Ethan? Rocco, Wiggle Butt. Show it. My stupid cousin's room. I hate him. Right, Ethan? You hate my cousin?
Yeah, he's mean.
Yep.
He's a mean being.
Yep. Okay.
He's a mean crazy.
So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if it's dark. It's this better.
No, I don't think so.
That. So, come on. Watch. I have this really cool thing. I grab a blanket. We'll do this in the living room. Come on.
Oh, God, no.
It's kind of cool. Watch. This is what my dog likes. Okay.
Should we do it on the table?
Rocco. Here. Rocco. Look.
I got toaster view. Okay, there you go. What is he like doing? Oh. He's supposed to like bark and try to bite. If he's not doing it. This guy.
Wiggle butt. Wiggle butt. Let me see the phone. Let me see the phone.
Put my hand in front of me.
I'm sorry. I can't do the trick right now.
Let's go some.
But he will bite the thing. My hand. It's under the blanket. Oh. This is my big pool. This is my big pool. Something fell in there. And Rocco with the bottle. He loves bottles. Well, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So
Like a pile of dirt. Pile of dirt.
Yep. So yeah. Bye.